Babe, do you like a lemon drop?
Who doesn't like a lemon drop?
I'm gonna make a limon drop.
Okay.
We're gonna use Bacardi Limon.
Oh, crack it open.
What do you think it's gonna smell like?
Oranges. Ooh, pretty glasses.
All right, we need 2 ounces of lemonade.
Look at you and your fancy tools.
All right, 2 ounces of our brand newly opened Bacardi Limon.
There's a lot of liquor in here, I think. Oh, wait, there's no liquor in the lemonade. Sorry.
A limon drop.
It would look prettier if it had sugar on the rim. But I'll take this.
Cheers.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Mmm.
It tastes like limoncello.
That does. It's so good.
Oh, look, there was extra for me. Look at that. One of those was for me. One of those is for me.
Mm-hmm.